Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So on the left hand side, let's curve this line around. We're going to spiral this through. We're going to bring that back in on the top. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's thicken up our line on the top now. So we're going to curve this around and down. Now for the eyelashes, we're just going to draw in two small triangles on the side of our eye. And now we're just going to color in those triangles black. Let's add in the highlight of our eye now. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle on the top left. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's come across on a diagonal. We're going to draw in another circle, just making that smaller. And now we're just going to color in the pupil black. Let's move in towards the center. For the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then we're going to come underneath for the mouth, replicating that, just making that bigger. Let's come up and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to draw an arch line on both sides above our eye. And then from that point in the corner, just curving this over and across. And then from here, we're just going to color that in black. Let's move up and draw in the bangs. In the center, we're going to draw in a straight line across. On either side, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. From the side, we're going to curve this line back down, ending that at the same height as the line on the inside. And then from here, we're just going to again bring this line out on a slight diagonal towards the top. From that point, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. Now for the bangs, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in and over towards the side. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this out, down, and across. Now from that point, we're going to bring this line in, up, and through towards the top, replicating that on the right-hand side. Let's close off the chin. So we're going to curve this line over, bringing that up on the side. Let's draw on the ears now. We're going to draw in a half circle on the left. We're going to do the same on the right, lining that up at the same height. Now on the top, let's curve this line over. And then moving down, just curving that around and then back in. Now let's draw in the curved line for the earring, bringing that in towards the hair. And now moving over towards the inside, we're going to replicate that, just arching that back in. Now let's come up and close off the top of the hair. So from the center, we're going to arch this line around and down on the left. And now from the middle again, we're going to come across on the right and just replicate that. Now on the side, we're going to curve this line in. Let's move down, replicating that again. And then moving underneath one more time, bringing that in towards the ear. Let's draw in the shoulder pads here. So we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on both sides. We're going to draw in, extending this line further up, a straight line that comes down on both sides, ending that at the same height. In the center, let's close off the neck, drawing in a curved line from left to right. On the bottom from here, we're going to curve this line around and up. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back, around, and in towards the middle. Now we're going to bring this line down and then curving that through and back up towards the top. We're going to draw in 2 circles as we come across. Let's move down now. For the jacket, we're going to curve this line in on both sides, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. Let's curve this line up and over towards the side on both sides. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. Now in the middle, we're going to bring this line down, around, and then back up towards the top. Let's come down. We're going to curve this line over towards the side for our second shoulder pad. From that point, we're going to curve this line up towards the top on a slight diagonal. Let's finish off the top here. We're just going to curve this in towards the side there. And then like we did on the top here, we're just going to bring this line down and then across. And then we're just going to draw in a small circle on the side. Let's draw in the arm. So we're going to curve this line out on both sides. We're going to bend the arm. So we're going to close off the top, curving that through towards the middle. Let's move behind, closing off the back of the arm, curving this around, bending at the elbow, bringing that in. And then to close off the wrist, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from top to bottom. Let's move up again. We're going to curve this line down. And then let's move up, drawing in another curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the hands. So we're going to curve this around and in. Let's step down, replicating that again. And then one more time, curving this around and then back up on the bottom. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes out towards our hands on both sides. Closing off the skirt on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to step down and we're just going to replicate that. Now on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We're going to step across on the bottom, curving that line out towards the side. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line in on a diagonal. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a curved line coming across. And then dropping underneath that, let's replicate that, thickening that up. Now let's come down for the middle of the skirt. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come down on either side. And then we're going to close that off with another straight line from left to right. Now for the legs, we're going to, from the center on the left and right hand side, draw in a straight line coming down. And then stepping across, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line coming in, ending that at the same height. For the boots, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now from here on the inside, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We're going to do the same on the outside as well. And then closing this off on the bottom, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the top. We're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a small curved line on the top. And then now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes up on both sides. And then as we come down, we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern. And now we're going to start from the top corner, replicating that in the opposite direction. And that is it. That's how you draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.